Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to view our model. Okay, so we are going to view it in several ways. So the first thing that we will be doing is let's explore our navigation bar. Okay, so from the view tab, look for the navigation bar, you click that, toggle on, so you can see your navigation bar here. So you have several options here. The first one is full navigation wheel. If you click that drop down arrow, you can see here the other options for your wheel. Okay, so I'll just use the full navigation wheel. Just click that and then you can see now your navigation wheel. So as you can see, you have different options here, like you hover your pointer to zoom and then hold your left click and then move your mouse forward. It will zoom in, and then away from you it will zoom out. Okay, so you move, hold your left click, move forward or away from you to zoom in, zoom out. Okay, so another option is using orbit. So you hold your left click there and then it will orbit your model. Okay, so you can also use the pan model, the pan option, and then just orbit. And then you can recenter your view. So like for example, you want this to be your center, so you just click center. So that's now your center, so that when you orbit, so that will gonna be the center of your orbit. So you zoom in. Okay, so every time you zoom in, it change also the center. Okay, so what else? So you also have review here. So you hold your left click and then you can rewind your viewing. Okay, so what are the views that you have done, so you can rewind it. So you also have walk. So let's say I'll pan my drawing like that and then orbit, and then I want to use the walk tool. So just hold your left click on the walk tool and then slowly move your mouse like that. You can move it forward more to make it faster, or a little backwards. If you want to slow down, you can also turn and then move. Okay, and then from here you can pan again, and then you can use the look, so you can look around to check your model, and also you can move up and down. Okay, up and down, and then you can orbit from here, and then you can pan, and then you can walk again. Okay, and then you can look around. Okay, so that's how you use your navigation wheel. So I'm just going to close it, and then I'm going to select the home view here for my view cube. So I click that, so that's my home view. Okay, so what else? So you also have your pan, so just click pan, and then your pointer will become a pan icon, so you can hold your left click to pan your model. Of course, you can also hold the middle button of your mouse if you want to pan. Okay, what else? So you also have here zoom window, so you click that, so you zoom window like that. Okay, so zoom out, zoom window. Okay, what else? Okay, so orbit, click that, so that's your orbit. And then look around. So I'm just going to zoom in and then I'll use look around. Okay, and then you have your walk tool. That's your walk tool. Okay, and then that's it. So that's your navigation bar. And then you can also use your view cube. So here's your view cube. Again, if you don't have your view cube, you can toggle this on here from the view tab. Okay, toggle on, off. Okay, so that's your view cube. So you can click the faces there of your view cube, isometric view, or you can also make it orthographic view, because by default this is perspective view. So you right click, orthographic view. So you click that, and there's your orthographic view. Okay, perspective view, you just need to right click and then select perspective. Now if you want to change your home view, like for example you want this as your home view, okay, so after you set up your 3D view, next thing you need to do is go to your view cube, you right click the view cube and then select set current view as home. So just click that one, and there you go. So you just set this view as your home. So when you zoom out or you change your view, you orbit, if you click the home view, you will go to that save view. Alright, so that's your navigation bar and then your view cube. And you can also save your views. Like for example, I'm going to select front here, or let's say I want to customize my view like something like this. Okay, so I want to save this view. So for me to be able to do that, I just need to create a viewpoint. So you go to the view tab, and then here you can save the viewpoint. Okay, so you can click that, and then it will now be added here on my saved viewpoint. So you can name it. So like this is my view 1, enter. Okay, so if I go to the home view and then I want to go back to that view, I just need to click my viewpoints here. So just click that, there you go. So there's my view number 1, and let's say I want this my view number 2. So I can go to my save viewpoints, and then I can select this icon here to save viewpoint, or you can also select from here. So you click that and then name it. So let's say view number 2. Okay, so I now have my view number 1 and then view number 2. So this is a very powerful tool because you will be able to save several views for your coordination. So let's say this angle here, or like that. Okay, so I'll save it. So I just click this, and then that's my view number 3. Enter. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So I just saved 3 different views. Okay, so that's it for this simple exercise. So hopefully you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.